Did you know that a low-carb diet is more effective than a low-fat diet in terms of weight loss? Yes, a low-carb diet is just perfect for your journey. But guys, stop thinking that a low-carb diet is simply limited to bitter melons and broccoli and a few green vegetables, because there are so many low-carb or even no-carb options available. You have hundreds of delicious options to choose from. Welcome, my friends. I'm here with another video about losing weight by enjoying a variety of delicious low-carb and sugar-free meals. Click on the link in the description to access your free one-day sugar-free meal plan. This is Gerald, your health coach and chef. Let's get started. Meat. We all love meat, don't we? Meat is not only high in protein, but it's also low in carbohydrates. And meat is considered the main food in the ketogenic diet because nearly all types of meat have close to zero carbs. However, organ meats such as liver, which contain roughly 5% carbohydrates, are the exception. So those who are struggling to choose a low-carb diet can eat beef, lamb, chicken, and pork. They all contain zero carbs. Eating grass-fed beef instead of grain-fed beef because it contains more omega-3 fatty acids and conjugated linolenic acid, otherwise known as CLA. Eggs. Eggs, like meat, are high in protein and contain zero carbs because practically every food item contains some quantity of carbohydrates. Zero carb refers to less than 1 gram of carbs in the food item. Eggs help with weight loss because the proteins in them greatly boost your metabolism, which can help burn more calories. It makes sense that eggs are sustainable for the keto diet since they contain 6 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, and less than 1 gram of carbs. Berries. Berries are luscious, sweet, and enticing. Isn't it great to be able to enjoy such a tasty meal while following a strict keto diet? Among keto dieters, berries claim a lot of popularity. And why wouldn't they? Berries contain the lowest net amount of sugar after all. So champ, you may have strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries as a low-carb option. And strawberries have the fewest carbs of all types of berries. Summer squash. Why is summer squash on this list? And is it truly low in carbs? The answer is yes. Summer squash is both low in calories and carbs. It also has a small quantity of dietary fiber, which helps to further reduce the overall net carb count. But what's fascinating about it isn't that it's low in carbs, rather it's one replacement that can be used in place of regular pasta. Using a spiralizer, you can now make zucchini noodles, or zoodles. Cheese. As I told you before, a low-carb diet is more effective for weight loss than a low-fat diet. And the keto diet, which is the most successful for weight loss, consists of foods that are low in carbohydrates, high in fat, and moderate in protein. Cheese's low carbohydrate content and high fat content make it an excellent choice for the keto diet. There are several, if not there are hundreds, of different varieties of cheese. But the most beneficial ones for a low-carb diet include blue cheese, brie, camembert, cheddar, and cottage cheese. Seafood. If eating the same food daily makes you want to change up your healthy eating routine, you've got a lot of options to choose from. There are several seafood options that are nutritious, low in carbs, and most importantly, delicious. Fish and shellfish are among the most keto-friendly seafood options. Salmon and other fish are not only low in carbs, but also high in B vitamins, potassium, and selenium. Oil-rich seafood is particularly ideal for keto diets, and the chicken of the sea provides a wide variety. There's something for everyone, from tasty smoked sardines and oysters to solid white albacore tuna. Avocado. You've probably heard a lot about the nutritional value of avocados on your Instagram feed. If you're trying to lose weight, which you are, it can be a great addition to your diet. Avocados are known for being high in monosaturated healthy fats, which help lower bad cholesterol and are linked to burning belly fat. Just another fun fact, a third of an avocado has only 5 grams of carbs. Vegetables. Net sugar levels are minimal in all types of vegetables. Now, you can enjoy a variety of delicious vegetables in your cooking. These vegetables can be tomatoes, onions, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, kale, eggplant, and many, many more. Without a doubt, all these are part of a sugar-free diet. That's why you can eat a lot of them without going over your carb limit. However, some starchy vegetables, such as white potatoes and carrots, are higher in sugar. In fact, if you're picky about your diet, leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables have very low carbohydrate levels. I don't want to make an important point here. A lot of people confuse natural sugar with added sugar. But it's important to understand that natural sugar is not detrimental to your health. Rather, foods containing natural sugars offer nutrients that keep your body healthy, provide fast yet stable energy, and keep your metabolism stable. But people on a strict weight loss diet should consume a limited amount of even natural sugars. Hey, thank you for watching the video, and I hope this video will help you in formulating your sugar-free diet plan. If you're interested in watching more videos about losing weight by quitting sugar, click on the link in the description for your free 1-day sugar-free meal plan. Then hit the subscribe button and change its color to a beautiful red. See you in the next video.